Hey, it's Haley. So I wanted to make you a breakfast option that is really good. You know, people ask me all the time, what are good breakfasts? And quite a while back, and you can look it up if you want, it should be on YouTube. If not, then just look at my Revived Wellness page. It's Revived Wellness 1. I did a recipe for acai berry bowl, and people loved it. It's really good, and it's just quick and easy. So I wanted to show you something else that might not be as quick, but it's really, really easy, and I think it's really delicious either for breakfast or a snack or that kind of thing. So it's a non-dairy apple parfait. Okay, so first I'm going to put cashews. They're just raw cashews, and I soak them for 20 minutes. So you could soak them for 20 minutes up to an hour. I'm gonna put this in the Vitamix, and it's just I believe it was 1/3 of a cup. And for the recipe, you can really ask me. I just sent it out via email to my subscriber list. So if you want to subscribe to my newsletter list, I always do good recipes. Well, that's, you know, to be said. Hopefully you like them, but anyways, I like them. Just go to revivewellness.com and click on free gift, and you can get the recipe. Okay, so now it is a 1/2 cup of non-dairy milk. So I prefer coconut milk. You could do almond milk, whatever you like. Pour that in. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So I get this pure vanilla. It's Simply Organic, it's called. There's all kinds of brands. I love the smell. So I'm gonna put that in the blender, and then better put the top on because I don't want to spill it. And then I'm just gonna blend it for a little bit, hardly takes any time, until it's smooth. Okay, that is easy enough. And it just looks like a cashew milk. So I'm going to put it in this cup. And then I'm gonna put some sliced apples. And you could do peaches if you prefer peaches. So some sliced apples. And then I took a 1/3 cup of gluten-free oats. I just get this Bob Red Mill brand. It's good. They're, you know, non-GMO, which is really important today. And I will put that in there. And then I just add some hemp seeds. So hemp seeds, I get these from Trader Joe's. You can get them anywhere. But they have a lot of protein and good, healthy fats. So I always like to add that to my breakfast. It's a good way to balance your blood sugar. So hopefully you can see it. It's hard to see the apples, but you know, once I mix it through, it's really easy. That took me no time, delicious. Again, if you want the recipe, you can either just send me a private message or put your message right here on, you know, the messages. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.